Before we ever hit the road, we thought our Grand Design Imagine was already organized. Cabinets looked neat, drawers were full but manageable, and everything had a place. Then we drove our first long trip. Doors opened, items shifted, and suddenly the RV felt smaller, messier, and more stressful than it ever should. That's when we realized something important. RV organization is completely different from home organization. If your RV still feels cluttered no matter how much you organize, or if you're tired of redoing cabinets after every drive, this video is for you. Today, we re-sharing exactly how we transformed our Grand Design Imagine into a space that actually works while traveling, not just while parked. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we share real-world RV tips, honest walkthroughs, and practical upgrades that make life on the road easier and more enjoyable. When we bought our Grand Design Imagine, we loved the layout and storage, but once we started living in it, we quickly discovered how easy it is to waste space, overload cabinets, and create daily frustration without even realizing it. Things would slide while driving, essential items were hard to reach, and setup days felt longer than they needed to be. That's what pushed us to completely rethink how we organize our RV. In this video, we're walking you through how we organized every major area of our Grand Design Imagine, from the kitchen and bedroom to the bathroom, living space, and exterior storage. We'll show you what worked, what didn't, and the small changes that made the biggest difference. Nothing here requires expensive custom builds or major modifications, just smart systems that stay secure while driving and actually make RV life more comfortable. By the end of this video, you'll have practical ideas you can apply to your own RV right away, whether you're full-time, part-time, or just getting started. When we first decided to reorganize our Grand Design Imagine, the biggest change wasn't buying bins or shelves. It was changing how we thought about space. RV organization is not about fitting more stuff in. It's about making everything functional while moving. Unlike a house, every item here needs to stay in place during travel, be easy to access, and not add unnecessary weight. We quickly learned that clutter in an RV doesn't just look messy, it slows you down and adds stress to every travel day. So before touching anything, we emptied each area completely and asked one simple question. Does this item earn its place in the RV? If it wasn't used regularly or didn't serve multiple purposes, it didn't stay. We also paid attention to weight distribution, keeping heavier items low and evenly spread. Another rule we followed was giving every single item a home. If something didn't have a clear place, it would always end up becoming clutter. This mindset alone made the biggest difference because once you organize with movement, safety, and daily use in mind, the rest of the process becomes much easier and far more effective. The kitchen was the most important area for us because it's used every single day, and it is also where mess builds up the fastest. We started with the cabinets, adding non-slip liners so nothing slides while driving. Instead of stacking items randomly, we used clear bins to group similar things together, like snacks, cooking supplies, and breakfast items. This way, everything comes out as one unit instead of individual items falling over. Vertical space was another big win. We added shelf risers so we could double our storage without adding clutter. In the drawers, expandable organizers helped keep utensils from shifting, and we switched to collapsible cookware to save space. The fridge was a game changer once we added bins and fridge bars. Drinks, produce, and condiments each had their own section, which stopped spills and made grocery days much faster. The biggest improvement was realizing that less really is more in an RV kitchen. Once we removed duplicates and oversized items, the space felt larger, cleaner, and easier to use. In the bedroom, the goal was comfort without chaos. We focused heavily on underbed storage because it's one of the most underused spaces in the Grand Design Imagine. Instead of loose piles, we used soft zippered storage bags for clothes, shoes, and extra bedding. Seasonal items were vacuum sealed to save space, while daily use items stayed easy to reach. In the closet, slim velvet hangers helped maximize hanging space and stopped clothes from sliding off during travel. We also added hanging shelf organizers for folded clothes, which made everything visible at a glance. One thing we learned quickly is that too many clothes can make an RV feel cramped. So we adopted a rotation system instead of carrying everything at once. Shoes were limited to essentials only, stored either under the bed or in stackable bins. Once the bedroom was organized, it became a place to actually relax instead of another area to manage, and that made a noticeable difference in our overall RV experience. The bathroom might be small, but smart organization here makes daily routines much smoother. We started by keeping moisture in mind, choosing organizers that allow airflow and dry quickly. In the shower, slim suction caddies held soaps and shampoos securely without taking up too much space. We avoided overloading the shower and only kept items we actually used. Under the sink, tension rods allowed us to hang spray bottles and toiletries vertically, freeing up cabinet floor space. Small lidded bins were perfect for medications and personal items, keeping everything from shifting while driving. Towels were hung using command hooks, which saved cabinet space and kept things easy to access. One important lesson we learned was not to fight the size of the bathroom working with it, instead made organization much simpler. Once everything had a clear place and stayed put during travel, the bathroom stopped feeling cramped and became surprisingly efficient. The living area and entryway were all about reducing visual clutter while keeping essentials close. Inside the sofa storage, we grouped items like manuals, games, cables, and tools into labeled zip bags so nothing disappeared into the back. Decorative items were kept minimal and secured with museum putty or Velcro to prevent movement. Near the entry door, we added hooks for keys and jackets, which eliminated the daily search when heading out. A slim organizer handled mail, paperwork, and campground info, keeping everything in one place. We also created a dedicated charging area for phones and small electronics, which stopped cords from spreading everywhere. One of the biggest improvements here was simply defining zones, work, relaxation, storage so each space had a purpose. Once we did that, the RV felt more open, even though we didn't add any new space at all. The pass-through and exterior storage is where organization really saves time on travel days. We divided everything into clear categories: tools, hoses, electrical gear, outdoor equipment, and maintenance supplies. Each category got its own labeled bin, making setup and teardown faster and far less stressful. Wet items were stored separately using ventilated crates so moisture wouldn't spread. Frequently used items were placed near the doors, while rarely used gear went deeper inside. We also used bungee nets to secure loose items and prevent shifting while driving. Labeling the bins on both the front and top made it easy to find things without unloading everything. This system turned the pass-through into a functional workspace instead of a dumping ground. Once exterior storage was organized, travel days became smoother, stops were quicker, and everything felt more intentional. That's when we realized good RV organization doesn't just save space, it saves energy, time, and patience on the road. Organizing our Grand Design Imagine completely changed the way we experience RV life. Once every area had a clear purpose and every item had a dedicated place, daily routines became easier and travel days became far less stressful. Instead of constantly reorganizing after every drive, things now stay where they belong, and that alone saves time and energy. More importantly, the RV feels more open, comfortable, and enjoyable to live in. Organization isn't about perfection or buying the most products. It's about creating systems that actually work for how you travel and how you live. If you're feeling overwhelmed by clutter or struggling to keep your RV organized, start small and focus on one area at a time. Even a few simple changes can make a huge difference. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, as it really supports the channel. Let us know in the comments which area of your RV you struggle with the most, or share any organization tips that have worked for you. And if you want more Grand Design Imagine tips, RV organization ideas, and real-life travel advice, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.